Pag ganyan.
Mas mahirap pa yan.
Ang hirap pala nito. Ang hirap. Good day everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Engineer SD, one of the project engineers here at Decocity. So today, we'll be talking about the Decocity's newest product, which is the MDF Flexible Panels. MDF Flexible Panels stands for Medium Density Fiber Board, which is made of combination of wooden fibers with resin to form dense, durable, and stable sheets. Decocity's MDF Flexible Panels come in 6 profiles. So here's why you should choose MDF Flexible Panels. Curving. MDF Flexible Panels feature precisely machined grooves that allow for bending without compromising strength or surface finish. Paint-ready surface. MDF Flexible Panels hold paint effectively. A light sanding is recommended to improve paint adhesion. Reinforcement backing. Each MDF flexible panel is backed by PVC, a synthetic plastic polymer for added durability, moisture resistance, and flexibility. Dimensional stability. Swelling and moisture absorption are common in MDF panels. However, MDF flexible panels have been specially crafted to increase the panel stability. MDF flexible panels are great to use for different applications: furniture, cabinets and shelving, wall panels, and tables. Hope this helps you out on your next project. Again, I'm Engineer SD for Decocity. See you on our next vlog. Bye, guys! Why you should choose MDF flexible panels? Ay!
Oh, I like it.
Ay,
So here,